Morning and assalamu alaikum 6th class. How are you? I hope you all are doing very well. Today is Friday 22nd January 2021. Today we will do our vocabulary portion. From our vocabulary portion we are having some pages. Here it is, I am having your syllabus of final term exams. From our vocabulary portion we have to do adjective page number 224 to 30, suitable words page number 219, and difference between words page number 221 and 237. As we have done adjective page number 224 and 230, today we will do suitable words and difference between words. At first we will do difference between words page number 221. Means here we are having two words and we have to choose that which word will come in the appropriate blank. Okay, number one, so fill in the blanks in each sentence correctly with the words given in the brackets. Here we are having two blanks and two words and we have to put the correct word in the correct blank. A murder is a dash in the eyes of the law, but a priest sees it as a dash. A murder is a dash in the eyes of law. In the eyes of law, what is murder? Murder is a crime. A murder is a crime in the eyes of law. But a priest is a person who a sacred person who shows his religious, who do some sacred rituals of his religion. So, a priest sees murder a sin. Okay, number two. The novelist's style of writing is original the novelist's dash of writing is original and appealing, and his dash of introducing new characters is brilliant. Novelist's style of writing, because the novel we have to put style over here. Novelist's style of writing is original and appealing, and his dash of introducing, his method of introducing new characters. The vase is dash. I have not seen such dash craftsmanship before. The vase is unique. I have not seen such excellent craftsmanship. She found his speech dash because he delivered it in a dash voice. She found his speech boring because she delivered it in a monotonous voice. Monotonous means boring or dull, lazy voice. She is so dash that she believes in stories which are hardly dash. She is so credible that she believes in stories which are hardly credulous. Mushrooms are dash, but those she has cooked are hardly dash. Mushrooms are edible. Edible means good for eat. But those she has cooked are hardly eatable, means she has not cooked the mushrooms well, so that was hardly eatable. Her employer will dash her wages at the end of 3 months. Her employer will raise means to increase the amount, raise his wages. Wages means salary. Raise his wages at the end of 3 months, but the rise will be small, means the rise means the increase he has done is very small or less amount. He is dash of others, but he is dash himself. He is contemptible of others, but he is contemptuous himself. Contemptuous means a person who feel hatred for himself. Okay, we have done page number 221. Now we have to do page number 237. Here we are having page number 237. We will start the question starting from here. Difference between words. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with the correct word or phrase from the brackets. Sorry. She takes a bus to work every day. Every day she takes a bus to work. There is not anybody hidden behind the door. The unpleasant smell comes from the rubbish dump nearby. Dash likes to be forced into doing a thing. Nobody likes to be forced. Mike has dash money than John. Mike has less money than John. The doctor advised me to cut down on starchy foods for a month. The latest issue of this magazine carries an interview with our Prime Minister. My dash is on the 20th floor of this block. My flat is on the 20th block. Alexander Graham Bell invented, not discovered, because invent mean to invent a new thing. Discovered mean to to identify a thing that is already hidden or already founded, but one person is identifying a new thing, identifying that. But invented means to make a new thing by himself. I am busy now. I will talk to you later. Later, later, single ter, later. So here we have done this also. Now we have to do suitable words on page number 219. Okay girls, here we are having page number 219, suitable words. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with the most suitable words. Each morning hundreds of sheep are sheep are dash in the state abattoir. Slaughtered mean zibah karna. We can say it in Urdu, zibah karna. Sorry, I am having a throat for today. Number 2, she was dashed the trolley towards the cash counter, pushing the trolley. She will serve something before dinner that will really dash your appetite, provoke your appetite. The hunters came upon the dash of a tiger at the edge of the jungle, came upon the carcass of the tiger. She was pleased to learn of his safe return from a dangerous mission abroad. Rows of magnificent skyscrapers surround the modest boarding school. Surround to make a circle over something. He was asked to dash the arrival of each guest. He was asked to announce the arrival of each guest. The manager accepted receipt of my letter promptly. He has been waiting with concern for the result of his general certificate examination. Concern means with worry or with anxiety. We must respect the views of our dash in this matter, even though we cannot agree with them. Views of our opponents. Opponent means the one who is having an other party. For example, if we are in a competition, we are having in one party and our opponents in another party, we have to agree with their opinions also. So girls, here we have done with these suitable words. Your syllabus of final term has been covered. Pirates, we have done pirates, we have done airports, we have done thirsty words, we have thirsty word, we have done the adventures of Don Quixote 6 and 7. Your unseen sentences and summaries are not included in your exams. We have done adjective pages, these. We have done suitable words, we have done difference between words. We have done all these tenses and conversion of these tenses also. We have done grammar lesson number 14. Preposition, we have done 15. Conjunctions, we have done 16. Adjectives, 17. Adverbs, we have done 18. Types of sentences, we have done active voice and passive voice, and form of verbs 1 to 50. We have done politeness is a virtue and wonders of science essays. And you have done informal and formal letters. Formal letters to the editor for road accidents, and informal letter we have done to mother ask for his health. We have done the complete syllabus. Okay girls, one more thing I want to say, that as you know that we have given you winter assignments, so you have to submit your winter assignments, because because if you want to take marks in your final term examination, so you have to submit your winter assignments, because you will given the marks for your assignments. So please, if anyone did not submit his assignment yet, so if anyone of you did submit his assignment, so please must write your English assignment or any other assignments, any other subject assignment, must write your assignments and please submit to me. Okay, submit till Monday, must. Okay girls, थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफिज़।